Today we're going to go over the Harbor Freight Dollar Day deals that's going on from January 29th to February 11th, and that's coming up next year on Just CB Gear. Welcome back, everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, it's that time again. We got some new Dollar Day deals, so let's go ahead and get started here and see what we got. Starting off here, we got a Pittsburgh Lifetime Replacement 6-inch utility caliper for $1. Basically, this was $1.99. You're saving 49%. That is a heck of a deal. Now, how accurate is it? I'm not going to be able to tell you, but if you don't need to be real pinpoint accurate with this, this would be a good deal to get you in the ballpark. Next up here, we have a Hallmaster 31-inch EPDM tie-down for $1. This one is also 49% off. That's another great deal on that. Then we got some double-sided mounted tape. This stuff can come in handy for quite a few things. I used to be into RC cars, and I always mounted the ESCs and stuff with double-sided tape. This is very good stuff. This one is a 8.5 foot by 3/4 inch double-sided mounting tape for $1. And that is 66% off. What a deal on that. And then next up here, we have a Gordon large snap blade utility knife, only for $1, 56% off. Once again, these are great for cutting boxes open. Mostly like my house, we have a ton of Amazon. Like, seems like once, twice, 3 times a day we got Amazon here between my wife and I, my son and my daughter. And these are great for cutting open boxes like that. Then next up here, we got the one that seems like it's on every sale. It's a 1-inch roller ball bearing for $1, 49% off. Another great buy on that. Then right now, if you need to get some stuff for your air tools, this is a good time to pick this up. We got a Merlin 1/4 inch steel automotive plug, your choice, $2, 19% off. That is a good deal. Then we have another Pittsburgh Lifetime Replacement hand tool here. I actually have these and they don't work too bad at all. These are the 6-inch diagonal cutters, $2 on that, 49% off. Like I said, pretty good deal with a lifetime warranty. If you do break them, just go ahead and take them back. Then we got the Vanguard 3-way ground adapter, $2, 33% off. Not bad at all if you want to overload one of your outlets. This is a good way to do it. Next up here, we have a Storehouse V-shape hang-all, $2, 33% off. Not a bad deal on that. Then we got another Pittsburgh Lifetime Replacement 15-inch flat pry bar, $3, 24% off. Not a bad deal at all, and always like the Lifetime Replacement on these. Then we're going to move over here to a Thunderbolt CR 2032 lithium-ion. Well, lithium, not the ion, button batteries. These are a 4-pack here. We got $3 on those, 24% off. Leave a comment down below if these are any good. I actually have some red dots that takes these batteries. I might start buying them if you guys recommend them. Then we got a Pittsburgh Lifetime Replacement 3-inch C-clamp. This one is going to be $3, 24% off on that. These are a great thing to have for multiple things. Clamping down wood if you need to cut or measure it. Another thing that a lot of people use the bigger ones for is the pushing the pistons onto brake calipers. Now there's better tools for doing that. I don't think you can do that with this 3-inch one, but they do come in very handy. Next up is a must-have if you got any air tools. You got the Merlin 16-ounce air tool oil. If you don't put the oil in them, you will burn them up. That's only $4 right now, 33% off. No excuse not to buy any. Then we got a Pittsburgh Lifetime Replacement 3/8 drive impact extension set, 4-piece, $4, 49% off. That is a smoking deal, and if you're into tools, you definitely need to get these. Then we got 10-inch steel tent stick 6-pack, $4, 19% off. These are always good because these always come up either missing or you bend the crap out of them putting them in. And this is a good time right now to get some extras for that. Then we got a Pittsburgh oil pan with spout, $5, 41% off. The last time they had this on the Dollar Days, I actually picked it up. What I use it for is, it seems like I do a lot of brake calipers, and when I'm bleeding the brakes, I just put this down below them and then have the hose run right straight down into it. And it makes it real easy for cleanup, and I don't get brake fluid all over. Leave a comment down below if you use this for changing your oil, antifreeze, anything like that. I like to hear what you're using them for. Next up here, we have an 11-inch solar LED bronze finishing lantern. That's not a bad deal at all. $5, 37% off. Then we got some more Pittsburgh lifetime replacement 11-inch swivel pad C-clamp locking pliers, $6, 33% off. Once again, for clamping stuff down to cut, measure, anything like that, these things come in great. I'm sure you can even use them to join stuff together to weld and multiple other uses. Once again, leave a comment down below what you would use these for. Then we got a 9-foot by 4-inch by 11-foot 4-inch all-purpose weather-resistant 4mm tarp, $6, 24% off. Not a bad deal at all if you need something covered up outside or even inside to keep the dust and dirt off. This is a great time to pick something up like this. Next up here, we got the Grants Ultra Plush Edgeless Microfiber Towels 12-pack for $7, 29% off. I'll tell you what, guys, I picked up a 4-pack of these when they had them as a free gift. I actually got 2 packs of them. And I'm pretty impressed with these Grants microfiber towels. I love microfiber towels because they don't leave crap all over everything. And now I'm going to switch over to these. I was buying mine at Walmart, but I'm switching to Harbor Freight and picking these up when they're on sale now. Alright, now we got the Hallmaster 400-pound capacity 1-inch by 15-foot ratcheting tie-down 4-pack. This is going to be $8, 38% off. They got some pretty decent deals on this stuff this month. Then we got a ratcheting hard hat, $8, 33% off. That's another great deal. Now we got a Warrior, and I always warn people, Warrior is bargain basement stuff from Harbor Freight. These might work once, they might work 100 times, they might not even work out of the box. So that's up to you. For this price, it might not be bad to pick it up, but don't expect multiple uses out of it. And what we got here that I'm talking about is going to be the Warrior 4.8 volt cordless 1/4-inch screwdriver kit, $8, 19% off. And then finally, we got another Pittsburgh lifetime replacement 3/8 drive 17-inch breaker bar for $9, 30% off. Sorry, not a bad deal at all if you need a breaker bar. And there you go. There is your dollar days for January 29th through February 11th. Like to say I'm sorry for getting this video out late. I've been sick, just now getting over it. You can tell my voice is still a little bit messed up. So what I would like to hear from you guys is what you guys would pick down below. I know a couple of things, like I said, I would get. I would definitely get this razor blade right here. This is going to be a great thing for cutting open boxes. Then we're going to scroll up. These cutters right here, I have these and they're going to be a great thing to pick up. They work pretty well. This row, I would definitely get the C-clamps. This one, I would get the oil, the pan, and the stakes. Those are going to come in very handy for you guys. And then this last row, or this ain't the last row, but I would get these clamps and the towels. And then this last row, the only thing I would be interested in would be the Pittsburgh breaker bar right here. So that's everything I would pick up. Leave a comment down below. What would you guys snag up? So as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. Down there, I have my link tree that has affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some of them got discount code to save you guys money. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.